Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with the Go Soul Group powered by eXp Realty. And today we're at Hallcraft Villas West. Want to know why I'm holding all the cash? Well, stay tuned to find out. All right, let's go over the location on this one. So we're at 41st Avenue and Camelback. Those are the two major cross streets. So for this home, we are right down the street from Grand Canyon University. As far as food is concerned, anything your heart can imagine, from grocery stores to dining, is within a mile or 2 miles of the property. You Costco shoppers, you're about a mile and a half from the one that's on Indian School. If you'd like to get to the airport, well, the Phoenix International Airport is less than 15 minutes from the home. And for you sports fans and one's looking for a really cool concert, we got you covered there too. You got the Dbacks, the Suns, and the Cardinals, all within a convenient 15-mile drive of this home too. All right, we are at the home. It is 4047 West Reade Avenue in Phoenix. This particular home is a townhome. It's a 2-story townhome. So in this particular home, it is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 924 square feet. There is laundry in the storage unit outside, and there's a small little courtyard yard that comes with the property. But also, as you see, there are grounds outside of the home, so if you have a dog or you want to play, got you covered there too. So on this particular one, it was remodeled about 5 years ago, so you're good to go there. And so why the cash? Well, on this particular one, there is a tenant in place. So every month, you can get 11 of these, but you got to give them $5 and change, because this is a cash generating property. It has a tenant in place for the next 7 to 8 months, paying $1,095 a month. So every month you can come and you can get 11 of these, give them a $5 bill, Venmo, or get a check from them. But you've got a cash flow property. So that's the really neat thing about this home, is if you're looking for an investment property, I got you covered right here. At the price of $200,000 or less, you can pick up a property, and you know how hard that is to find in the Phoenix area. All right, so if you would like to schedule a showing on this cash flow property, man, I need these to keep you cool on a day like this. If you'd like to schedule a showing on this, I do make it super simple. You can call me at 602-763-8106, or go to my website, kevinbelzer.com. Until next time, bye.